potential difference between alkaline and non-alkaline batteries. The materials needed.
Electric current when its positive end, called the cathode, and its negative end, called the anode, connect via a conductive pathway in the battery-operated device. This pathway conducts electricity when three components, two electrodes and an electrolyte, interact. It's production by cutting nickel-plated steel into oval pieces, then gradually shaping each piece into a tube called a console. The console houses some important chemical ingredients. Graphite, which conducts electricity. Silver catalyst, which reduces chemical pressure buildup. Manganese dioxide, the main ingredient in the cathode. Barium sulfate, which binds the cathode ingredients. Zinc, the main ingredient in the anode. A gelling agent to keep the zinc particles suspended. And finally, potassium hydroxide, which interacts with electrodes to produce electricity. This 25-head press shapes the cathode's powdered chemicals into hollow pellets. The press churns out 25,000 pellets an hour. A machine called the console press then inserts 3 pellets in each console. 3 because these pellets are so fragile that 3 smaller ones are easier to manipulate than 1 big pellet would be. Here's the insertion in slow motion. The next machine makes a ridge on one end of the console to help seal it. Plastic holders, called pucks, hold the console still as nozzles apply a sealant to the top, which is the negative end of the console. Next, they cut a roll of paper into small strips. These strips are called separators. They have microscopic holes that permit the flow of ions, electrically charged molecules, between the cathode and the anode.
Alkaline batteries are the most suitable for applications where the current being used is normally low, such as in devices that do not require a lot of power during their use or are used periodically, like remote controls or radios. As mentioned previously, alkaline batteries have longer shelf life than other batteries of the chloride type electrolyte, so there is little worry these batteries going bad because of age, rather than just running out of power over a long period. Alkaline batteries have high internal resistance, which reduces their runtime and produces an early low battery warning in most devices. They will not last long in applications that have high startup current requirements or even require a lot of power while in use. Rechargeable alkaline batteries are said to give a much lower performance than standard alkaline batteries, though that gap has narrowed nowadays due to better technology and using pure products for the basic manufacturing.